Kilala niyo ba kung sino ang pamilya ni Jose Rizal? Mula sa kanyang great-grandparents, mula hanggang sa kanyang parents at siblings. Ngayon, pisan na natin. So, hi everyone! Welcome back to my vlog. Today, we are dividing into the family tree of our national hero, Dr. Jose Rizal, mula sa kanyang great-grandparents hanggang sa kanyang mga kapatid. So, let's get started. So, now, who's the Rizal paternal great-grandparents? Was Domingo Lamco, isa siyang Chinese immigrant from Fujian, China. Pinakasalan niya si Ines de la Rosa, a Filipina from Laguna. Sila ang pinagmulan ng Mercado family. At sino naman ang kanyang great-grandparents sa mother side? So, the great-grandparents of Jose Rizal was Juvenio Orsua. Juvenio Orsua, may lahing Japanese. Ang asawa niya, si Benigna. Sila naman ang ancestor ng Alonzo Riolonda family. Go. At sino naman ang paternal grandparents ni Jose Rizal sa kanyang father side? Ito si Juan Mercado and si Cirila Alejandro. At sino naman ang maternal grandparents ni Jose Rizal sa kanyang mother side? Ito ay si Lorenzo Alberto Alonso and si Brigada de Quintos. And of course, the parents of Rizal, where the father is Francisco Mercado, a former educated, hardworking father of Dr. Jose Rizal. And her mother is Teodora Alonzo Riolonda, well-educated, strong, known as the model mother of Dr. Jose Rizal. Now, let's go to the siblings of Rizal. Yes, madami sila. They are 11 children in the family, and Rizal was the 7th. The 11 Mercado siblings, una Nelsa Tortina, Pasiano, Narcisa, Olympia, Lucia, Maria, Jose Concepcion, Josefa, Trinidad, and Soledad. Sino nga ba si Saturtina? Saturtina ang panganay na tinatawag na Neneng. Pasiano ang kuya ni Rizal, ang una niyang naging mentor. Si Narcisa naman ang artistic at mapagmahal sa kanilang pamilya. And si Olympia ang close ni Jose Rizal. And si Lucia naman ang asawa ni Mariano Herbasa. And si Maria naman ang naging inspirasyon ng ilang characters sa Noli Me Tangere. And so Jose Rizal naman ang pampito ang pambansang bayani. And si Concepcion naman ang pangwalo, ang namatay sa batang edad na kapatid ni Dr. Jose Rizal. And si Josefa ang nanatiling dalaga sa kanilang magkakapatid. And si Trinidad naman na isa sa tagapag-ingat ng Mi Ultimo Diyos. And Soledad naman ang pinakabata sa kanilang magkakapatid na teacher at writer. So that's the complete ancestral frame of Dr. Jose Rizal, from his great-grandparents, from all the way to his siblings. Makikita natin na iba-iba ang pinagmulan niya. May Chinese, Japanese, Spanish, at Filipino blood. And that rich heritage helped shape the hero we know today. Thanks for watching. Yun lang.